Hello, friends. Welcome back to Quick Bites, the podcast where we explore delicious dishes worldwide in bite-sized episode. I'm Chef Walter. Today we're diving into the mouth-watering world of martabak. Originating from Indonesia, martabak is a beloved street food that has captured the hearts of foodies worldwide. This indulgent treat comes in two delicious varieties, sweet and savory. So, first up is the Sweet Martabak. And imagine a pancake-like dough stretched thin and generously filled with a luscious mixture of chocolate, condensed milk, and crushed peanuts. It's then folded into a delightful parcel and cooked to perfection until the filling becomes ooey-gooey goodness. Now, let's savor the Savory Martabak. This version starts with a similar pancake-like base. Still, instead of sweet fillings, it's stuffed with a savory medley of minced meat, often beef or chicken, eggs, chopped scallion, and a perfect blend of spices. The Savory Martabak is usually served with pickles and a tangy dipping sauce, adding an extra flavor to each bite. Martabak is best enjoyed in the lively night markets of Indonesia, where the vendors showcase their culinary artistry, skillfully flipping the dough and expertly crafting these delectable delights right before your eyes. Not limited to Indonesia, martabak has traveled and evolved in various regions, incorporating unique twists and flavors to suit local palates. And whether you have a sweet palate desire or crave something savory, martabak is a satisfying treat that promises to leave you craving for more. That is all for this episode of Quick Bites. Try it if you're lucky to find a martabak vendor near you. Remember to tune in next time as we explore another culinary delight globally. Happy bites!